What's up, guys? I'm back today to give y'all an update on what I've been up to lately and how my school's been going, and just talk about like the projects I've been working on. Just give you a good game dev update as usual. So today I'm gonna be talking about a project I'm working on the side. This is not part of my schooling. This is just something I'm doing on the side. But it's a project called Jaywalk, which is the game I'm making, and that's what I decided to call it. Anyway, it's gonna be like a frog hopper game, and you're gonna be able to play online, and you're gonna be able to like change skins and earn skins over time. So it'll be pretty awesome. I decided I was gonna put a stop to the Malefic Empire project for now, and I'll pick it up maybe later on. But there is a lot of stuff I realized I'm gonna have to go back and fix on the project, because I actually learned a few more things now, and I know what game instances are and how do clients and servers kind of work with each other. And I realized I might have cooked myself on that project a little bit. So so it was a pretty bad idea what I did. The way I built it kind of cooked. I'll probably come back and fix the logic, and then once I get the logic fixed, I'll keep building on that project. But for now, I decided I was gonna try to build something more simple, since I am still new, and this would be my first game I'm making that I will be publishing, of course, because I've made other things, but they're just like not really like finished things. They're more like things that I've learned to make because of an assignment, or I just try to make something, but it wasn't like a full-blown game that I'm planning on like releasing anywhere. So this is gonna be the first time I actually try to release something. I'll be releasing it on Steam, and it's gonna be called Jaywalk. Like I said, it's gonna be like a frog hopper game. But yeah, all this gameplay I'm showing right now is some of it's early development, some of it is later, up to date, like literally an hour ago. I'm working on it today. I'm actually, the part I'm really struggling with right now is multiplayer side of things. I got my multiplayer to synchronize, but I'm trying to build how the lobby menu is gonna work, because I only want the host to control what's happening in the lobby. I also need to figure out how to like bring people's like saved selected characters into the lobby. So if you unlock the skin and you're playing as that skin and you join a server, I want you to be able to play as that skin. I'm thinking I might try to implement like an option for changing your skin in the lobby, which is also another thing that's going to be a little bit hard to do. So at least for me, because maybe somebody else is looking at this as a experienced game developer that with Unreal Engine, and it's like, yeah, that'll be a piece of cake. But for me, bro, like I am still new to all this, and I'm learning. But oh my goodness, I've been talking to ChatGPT for like the past like 2 weeks, bro. It's crazy. But yeah, I'm really happy with some of the visuals. A lot of the HUD elements that you're seeing are just like placeholders. I did decide to use different fonts for the end project, so I already have the fonts in another application I'm using, but I haven't imported them yet because I still gotta write all the words and then import them. More of a tedious task than actually like having to think about like something or come up with some logic. I just want to get the game like working, all of it, so I can add all these different variants of skins already, because I have a few good ideas for game skins. We'll have to see, because it's taking a minute to make, and I really just want the game to be like playable, because it is playable on single mode as of right now. The game is done on single mode. It just needs more like variations of maps and stuff, but overall like the map is working. But multiplayer is what I'm trying to work on right now, and it has been a little bit of a hassle. Hopefully I'll get this figured out soon so I can have uploaded to Steam, and then Steam can hopefully approve it, and then we can have people playing this. I really hope people will like it. I've been putting a lot of time into this the past week or two. Now, what I kind of do want y'all to do in the comment section is comment a few skins that you want to see in the game personally. If you have like an image of something that you would like to see as a skin in the game, you should send it to me, and I'm gonna make a game skin version of that in my video game that you'll be able to unlock and play as. Also, I just want to talk about how is it that like this one glitch almost ruined my freaking life, because I kept trying to like add like new characters, but they were spawning like in the wrong area of the map, and I was losing my mind. I ended up writing so much freaking code, and in the end I ended up having to like just delete all of it, because all of it was useless. That's just like a classic game dev moment right there. And I've had a few moments sprinkled in like that where I build something and then it turns out there's a better way of doing it. So then I have to get rid of all the code and then redo it again. And that's just what sucks about like being new to this, is sometimes you may try to do something and then you realize it doesn't work, and then you go and ask ChatGPT, what the heck is it that is messing up? And then ChatGPT goes like, oh, well, there's actually a better way of doing this. And then it tells you, and then you actually learn how to do it the proper way. But just been a lot of moments like that here and there. Yeah, I've been working on this game for at least like 2 weeks. My girlfriend is just like getting mad at me because I've been spending way too much time on this game, and I'll usually do my classes. Once I get my classes done, I'll go and work on my game. It's hard because if I'm doing my classes and then finally done with my classes, I have to go and work on my game. I'm not really making time for other things. I think that's just another problem that I feel like other game developers can relate to, because all the time I want to work on my game. Like even when I want to play video games, I'll start playing video games and then I realize, oh my god, I played like 4 hours of this game. And that is 4 hours that I could have already built like a cool system on my own video game. And then I'm like, no, 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 no. I cannot spend another 4 hours on this game playing. I have to go and spend the rest of my time making something. Most of the time, I don't even spend 4 hours playing games. Like I'll play for at least maybe 30 minutes and then I realize, oh wait, like I could actually be making my own game right now. And then all of a sudden I get off and I just don't play for the rest of the day. I mean, that's just another struggle, is even when I'm like just shopping, like I'll be thinking of like what I want to add to my game. So even if it's not like necessarily I'm working on the game, I'll still be like in a way kind of working on the game, because I'll be thinking of what to add next or how to like logically make something work that I want to add. So I'll think of like how to make it once I get home. It's kind of crazy. Like it feels like you can't turn it off. I don't know if anybody's experienced this, but something about it, like you just want to keep thinking about it and like solving those problems and making it happen. So I hope the visuals were enough. I just wanted to show y'all what the game's looking like and let y'all know that I am putting down the Malefic Empire project down for now, and I'll be probably revisiting it at some point, but right now I'm focusing on this. And next time I upload something, it'll be about how I made certain things in this game more in depth and kind of just show y'all how it's looking, and it'll probably be even more further updated, and maybe my multiplayer system will be working by then and I'll be able to show that off. Anyway, if you want to see more content like this, I would subscribe to my channel, because I will be dropping a whole lot more content in the future about game development, and I'm just going to keep it consistent. I'm just going to keep uploading updates and letting people know what I'm working on. Hopefully we can get a community going here, and I'll probably be dropping a Discord in the comment section. So if you want to join and just talk to me about your game development struggles, or just want to see what I've been up to and just screenshots of like things that I'm currently working on, you can go ahead and join the Discord and I'll be right there.